right. The driveway is complete. Now you can see what's going on. So you're gonna pull in this way, and then this will be the way you come out. Right there I got a little parking area for my boat, couple areas. Well's gonna go here. And come up. Come in. That's the septic way down there. We will come in like this with our car, or Jeep, truck. Oh, they missed a hole. And what we'll do is we'll come around. The fifth wheel is going right here. And so then we'll drive around this way. We can drive our car around this way and go out this way. So it's a big circular. There's the clean out. Like I said, right here is where the fifth wheel is going to go. Be able to drive in through here. Oh, they didn't smooth that. This will be parking for my boat. And over here, like I said, here's the drive-through and out. And we're thrilled with this. What do you think, Mary Lou?
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So excited.
Thank you, God. This is awesome. A few nicks on my trees. Other than that, it's awesome. These guys did a really good job. So yeah, grateful.